Pure Earth Industries, in partnership with Sustainable Industries Corporation, is proud to present the MCC line of products. MCC stands for Molecular Combustion Catalyst. Imagine for a moment if it were possible to utilize coal for all the enormous benefits of industry and commerce, without all the foul emissions and negative impact on society and the environment. With MCC products, we can, and we will show you in this presentation. Acting responsibly toward the environment, employees, and community goes beyond policies and mandates at Pure Earth Industries. PEI is passionate about bringing green technology products to help our customers create green energy solutions. Striving for sustainable green energy products is an integral part of our culture and company. We continually strive to ensure our operations all over the world are meeting those high standards, while we help our customers stay on the cutting edge of green technology and green product design. Coal and the environment. Coal mining raises a number of environmental challenges, including soil erosion, dust, noise, and water pollution, and impacts on local biodiversity. Steps are taken in modern coal mining operations to minimize these impacts. Continuous improvements in technology have dramatically reduced or eliminated many of the environmental impacts traditionally associated with the use of coal in the vital electricity generation and steel-making industries. Viable, highly effective technologies have been developed to tackle the release of pollutants, such as oxides of sulfur and nitrogen oxide, particulate and trace elements, such as mercury. More recently, greenhouse gas emissions, including carbon dioxide and methane, have become a concern because of their link to climate change. There is now growing recognition that technology developments have to be part of the solution to climate change. This is particularly true for coal, because its use is growing in so many large economies, including the largest and fastest-growing countries, such as China and India. MCC has formulated some of the best products to facilitate the growing demand in an environmentally friendly way, with a cost savings to our clients. MCC products are prepared in a state-of-the-art facility in a secure location on the eastern seaboard of the United States. This facility allows us to operate with great flexibility to meet our clients' needs in a timely fashion. MCC products are created in such a way as to contain no metals, organometals, and no acids. MCC products are non-toxic, non-reactive, non-corrosive, and non-flammable. This allows for MCC products to be shipped by conventional methods without extraneous requirements. MCC 100 for coal will reduce carbon-based emissions by at least 90%, lower the costs of maintenance due to less slag buildup on fireside walls and tubes, reduce fly ash dramatically, and will lower the carbon content of ash to 0.01%, thus making it safer to use in any form of recycle program. MCC 100 for coal will outperform the competition, or we will refund your sample order 100%. No other product on the market today can compare to the cost savings and emissions reduction of MCC 100 for coal. A 500 megawatt electricity generating facility consumes, on average, 1.25 million tons of coal. Our 100% money-back guarantee is based on returning to the consumer a minimum of 5% after the cost of MCC 100. In order to achieve this, we must attain an 11% increase in BTU output. This will allow the operators of the facility to throttle back on the flow of coal to the furnace and maintain the BTU output at the desired level. MCC 100 for coal averages 14% to 24% increase in BTU decrease in consumption. The outputs depend on a variety of factors. These include moisture content, heavy metals, sulfur, and organic matter in the composition of the coal. The application of MCC 100 for coal occurs in the crush house, just after the crush and above the conveyor line, using drip or spray applicators. This location is strategic as it allows time for absorption and has an ancillary benefit of reducing dust fly-off in transit to the daily bunkers. Once in the bunkers, the product further mixes with the coal from the tumbling process and then in the pulverizing apparatus. The hot air injection dries the non-flammable carrier and leaves the catalyst behind to do its job of increasing the BTU output in the boiler furnace. The positive impact from the use of MCC 100 is immediate and can be seen in a brighter flame inside the boiler, a change in the stack discharge from black to white or clear. The combustion of the coal will be at a minimum of 90% with the use of MCC 100 for coal. Maintenance costs and downtime reduced, and more kilowatt hours for less money. Samples of sub-bituminous Powder River Basin coal were tested at Combustion Test Facility without MCC 100 for coal and with MCC 100 for coal. The results are amazing in that the BTU output increased by 14%, sulfur dioxide reduced by 40%, carbon monoxide reduced by 25%, oxides of nitrogen reduced by 18%, mercury reduced between 28% to 38%, and the heat rejection, or water wall, increased by 15%. This is incredible as the benefits of using MCC products continues to increase over the amount of time it is utilized. MCC 99 for heavy fuels has a two-part application use. First, if an incompatibility exists in the fuel, MCC 99 for fuel oil processes the fuel to make it compatible and stabilized. Combustion is greatly improved. Sediment is reduced by 75% or more. The overall effect is to process the stored fuel into a super grade of fuel. Water, sulfur, and other heavy undesirables are dropped out or de-emulsified. Sludge, algae, and other dissolvables in the fuel storage tank are dissolved and converted into good-burning fuel. Second, MCC 99 can be used in the refining and cracking process to extract more middle distillates, gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and jet fuel. The output will vary depending on the quality of the input product. However, the output is generally increased by 8% to 28%. This allows for the refiner to sell more of the higher-priced products, thus increasing the bottom line of the company. Thank you for taking the time to view and listen to this presentation on MCC products. Brought to you by Pure Earth Industries, in partnership with Sustainable Industries Corporation. We look forward to your comments and any questions you may have.